What's up everybody, my name is Jordan and this is the Fayze Reviews YouTube channel. This channel was born out of my love for cool tech products and my endless hours spent reading reviews and watching videos before I purchase things. I'm someone who loves to see the product before I try it, and so I created this channel to hopefully bring that same experience to you. I review everything from DJ gear, sound and lighting, to home office equipment, photo printers, extra screens for your computers, projectors, you name it. I've probably tried it on this channel, and if not, I will in the future. The name Fayze Reviews comes from my old DJ business. Before I became DJ Jordan Nelson, I went by DJ Fayze in high school. I loved the name and I didn't want to lose it, so I've brought it here to my review channel. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell. All of that helps the channel in the algorithm so that I can keep bringing you product reviews each and every week. That's gonna be it for now. Hopefully you can find a video down here that you like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.